Hello everyone, my name is Rehan, a student from the Psychology Department, University of Mercubuana, Yogyakarta. In this video, I would like to discuss a psychological topic that feels very relevant to Generation Z, which is loneliness despite being digitally connected. Today, being online almost all the time feels normal. We scroll through social media, reply to messages, watch stories, and stay connected every day. Technically, we are never alone. However, many people, especially Gen Z, still experience feelings of loneliness. This situation may sound ironic. How can someone feel lonely while constantly connected? This question becomes an important issue to discuss from a psychological perspective. Before going deeper, it is important to understand what loneliness actually means. In psychology, loneliness is not simply about being physically alone. Loneliness is a subjective emotional experience where individuals feel emotionally disconnected or misunderstood, even when they are surrounded by people or actively interacting online. In other words, a person can have many followers, group chats, and notifications, but still feel emotionally empty. This shows that connection does not always mean emotional closeness. Digital technology allows fast and easy communication through likes, emojis, and short messages. However, many digital interactions are brief and surface level. They often lack emotional depth, empathy, and genuine understanding. Over time, this can create a feeling of being socially active but emotionally disconnected. People may feel visible online but not truly understood. Another important factor related to loneliness among Gen Z is social comparison. On social media, people usually present the highlight version of their lives. When individuals compare their real lives to these idealist images, they may feel left behind or disconnected from others. In addition, there is fear of missing out or FOMO. Seeing others socialize, travel, or achieve success can create pressure to keep up. Even when individuals are doing fine in their own lives, they may still feel excluded or disconnected. From a psychological perspective, humans have a basic need for emotional connection. Eye contact, empathy, and meaningful conversation play an important role in building close relationships. When these needs are not fulfilled, loneliness can occur regardless of how active someone is online. Loneliness has significant psychological effects. Emotionally, loneliness is associated with sadness, anxiety, overthinking, and low self esteem. For students, loneliness can also reduce motivation, concentration, and academic performance. Considering these effects, it is important to understand how loneliness can be managed in the digital era. One strategy is developing digital awareness, such as limiting screen time and reduce unhealthy social comparison. Being mindful of online behavior can help protect emotional well-being. Another strategy is focusing on quality relationships rather than quantity. Having a small circle of people who provide emotional support is more meaningful than having many superficial connections. Engaging in offline activities such as joining communities or group discussions can also help build real emotional connections. Learning to be comfortable with oneself and practicing self acceptance can reduce dependence on online validation. If feelings of loneliness become persistent and interfere with daily life, seeking help from a psychologist or counselor is a healthy step. In conclusion, loneliness, despite being digitally connected, is a common experience among Generation Z. Technology makes communication easier, but it doesn't automatically create emotional closeness. By using digital media more mindfully and prioritizing meaningful relationships, individuals can reduce loneliness and improve their mental well-being. Through this discussion, it is important to remember that meaningful connection is not about how often we communicate, but about how deeply we understand and support one another or support each other. For Generation Z, learning to balance digital interaction with real emotional connection is a key step toward maintaining psychological well-being. Becoming more aware of our digital habits and emotional needs allows us to build healthier relationships, both online and offline, and to take better care of our mental health in everyday life. With that, I would like to end this presentation. Thank you very much. Bye bye.